Introducing the unique pattern that I found in our yard is her. Meet Shelly, the snail who has a spiral butt and a striped shell. Yes, Shelly has the two pattern of nature. Let us start to her spiral butt. Have you ever wondered about the elegant spiral of a snail's shell? It's a masterpiece of nature, a testament to the beauty of mathematics hidden in plain sight. This isn't just any spiral, it's a stunning example of the Fibonacci sequence. And now let's move to her shell, her unique striped shell. Have you noticed her spiral has the same pattern to the tiger's skin? Because when I saw Shelly, I was amazed to her unique shell because it looks like the skin of the tiger. Let's zoom her and take a closer look to her shell. Her shell has two combinations of colors and they are yellow and black. And as you can see, it was all alternate all over to her shell.
Amazing!
This tiny creature carrying its Fibonacci's masterpiece on its back is a living testament to the interconnectedness of nature and mathematics. The next time you see a snail, remember the hidden beauty of the Fibonacci spiral and stripes, a reminder that even the smallest things can hold the greatest wonders. Adios!